for a happy horse. That's what Saddlebox is. Hello awesome equestrians, I'm Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to another video. And if this is your first time here and you want to make the most of the time that you have with your horse, consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss anything. And like I said in the beginning, it's time for a Saddlebox unboxing. Yay! 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 If you're new to my channel, you may not have ever heard of Saddlebox. And what Saddlebox is a monthly subscription box that is mailed out once a month around the 15th of the month, and you get a box of happiness delivered to you every single month for you and your horse. Saddlebox is a really fun subscription service. They cost $34.95 a month and they're awesome. I've been doing Saddlebox unboxing videos on my channel for over the last year now. So if you want to see some of the other things that Saddlebox has to offer, go back and look at my other Saddlebox unboxings. It's really fun. So, how about we open this up and see what's inside? Is it good? Is it good? Am I going to like it? I hope so. Let's look. So every month you get a card and it tells you what is in this month's Saddlebox. But something new they've been doing is putting on ambassadors every single month for Saddlebox. And this month the ambassadors, it says meet our ambassadors of the month. And the ambassadors are Catcher, Miss Beans, and Roma. And on the bottom of the card it says make your horse a star, tag at Saddlebox Horses on Facebook or Instagram, and we'll share your pick with our thousands of fans. So that's really fun. If you get Saddlebox every month for your horse, or even just once, and you want your horse's picture to be shared with thousands of other people, just tag at Saddlebox Horses and they will share your photo of you and your horse, or your horse getting his Saddlebox. Alright, so the first thing in Saddlebox is called Bounce Back. And this is a multi-species electrolyte supplement, which supplements are really important to have, especially during the summertime. And it says for use in times of stress or dehydration. Glycine to support electrolyte absorption. Great for animals of all ages. So you can use it on calves, foals, baby goats, llamas, alpacas, fawns, baby pigs, and it's an electrolyte supplement. So it's made by ManaPro, and electrolyte supplements are something I think everybody should have in their barn or your first aid box for your horse, because you never know when they might get dehydrated. So that's nice to have. This is something new I've never gotten or seen in a Saddlebox. It's a sticker and it says live like someone left the gate open. Don't know where I'm going to put that yet, but that's kind of cool. This is awesome. This is a pocket sweat scraper by Tough One. So you can use it after bathing your horse, or you can stick it in your pocket, take it with you, and it helps to get the sweat off. It's very nice. It's very sturdy. Very cool. This is really nice to have. This is a rubber jelly scrub mitt. It's by Tough One. It's got a brush on one side and like massager nubs on the other side. That would be really nice for bathing your horse, or if you wanted to give them a massage. Really cool. I love when they send new grooming products like brushes and things like this. It allows me to try it out and see what I think, and I've got a new tool for grooming my horse. That's really nice. I like it. I think they pay attention to what colors I like, because they put my favorite colors in the stuff for the different items. I got green and purple, which are my favorite colors. So that's awesome. Thank you, Saddlebox. That's awesome. Oh, and this is something nice. This is something I've not ever seen before. This is Piranha Piratin Shampoo, and I have no idea if I'm saying that right or not, but this repels fleas, ticks, and lice. It says you can use it on horses and dogs. And let's see how it smells. You gotta have a smell test. It actually smells pretty good. It doesn't smell like an insecticide. Very cool. I'm going to have to try that out on my horses later and see how it works. And I also got a Hydra Honeycomb Professional Body Bath Sponge. says it's super absorbent, never hardens, can be sterilized by boiling, polyester based for durability. That is a huge sponge. That is really nice. I like having sponges. There's a lot of different things you can use as sponges, and I don't think you can ever have enough, especially in the summertime when it comes to bathing your horses. And they included a bag of apple nuggets by Mana Pro. These are awesome horse treats. They're small, so your horse doesn't get too many treats, too much sugar, too much stuff that's not good for him. You can give them a nice little treat every once in a while to do something nice for your horse. And it's not huge, so they're not going to gain tons of weight, hopefully. But you have to control yourself and only give a treat every now and then, which is really hard to do. This is awesome because I can't find my hoof pick with the brush on the end, and those are my favorite hoof picks to use. And I got one. This is my most favorite style of hoof pick, and this is by the Right Horse Initiative. A couple of months ago in the saddle box, they gave some more information on the Right Horse Initiative and really promoting adopting horses instead of like buying new horses and stuff. So that's pretty cool, and I will always think of them because it's on my hoof pick. And that's a little bit bigger of a hoof pick than I have, so that's really nice. Well, especially since I can't find mine. But that is a really, really nice heavy-duty hoof pick with a brush. Those are my favorite, absolute favorite hoof picks to use. So if you count the sticker, which I think you count the sticker, this month's saddle box had 8 different items in it. That was really nice. These are things that I will actually use for my horses, and it's awesome. So like I've said before, Saddle Box is my favorite subscription box for my horses, and I love, love, love getting it. It's nice to get a surprise in the mail every single month, especially when you go check the mail and usually it's just bills. It's nice to get something like this. So not only is Saddle Box happiness for my horses, it's happiness for me every single month. And if you'd like to see my other Saddle Box unboxings, product reviews, or learn how you can be a budget equestrian, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.